everybody, we're back here at the Dawn booth and we've caught up with Sarah Hickey with Dawn Foods. Sarah, tell us a little bit about what you do here at Dawn.
Hi, I'm Sarah Hickey. I'm the Senior Director of Insights and Market Research, and my fun job is to learn about all the fun things, fascinating things the consumer is doing in their lives to help our customers grow.
Awesome. So if you hadn't seen yet out on our social channels and the website, we have launched the new Dawn Global Trends, and that's work that Sarah and our team members from across the globe have been working together to put together. So Sarah, tell us a little bit about this trends report.
Yeah, Alexis, so the first trend that we're seeing is technology transformation. Really, how are customers embracing technology in ways to meet their consumer needs? So it's not just about online ordering, but it's also about the influence that social media has on driving traffic to your business, or word of mouth, or even ways in which social can be a point of engagement for customers in ways they've never been before. Technology is here to stay, and we're helping our customers learn how to grow with it.
And that's true whether you're looking to do online ordering for your bakery. If you're a consumer and saying, hey Sarah, meet me at Alexis's bakery, here's the address, here's what you can order ahead of time and see that menu. So it's
Exactly.
that full
experience.
Got it.
Every point of the consumer experience has been touched by technology for food.
All right, so what's trend number 2?
Trend number 2 is experience exploration, one of my favorites. So we've seen consumers really start to revert back a little bit to things that they love, that bring them that nostalgic feelings of moments from their childhood. Everyone loves those childhood favorites, but they also want exploration. They also want things that are new and different. And so what we're seeing is a combination of those two things coming together, especially when we think about global flavors. Consumers are so excited to try interesting versions of the traditional donut. Think about a punchki or a beignet or even a mochi donut. That's all classic fried dough, but from a different cultural perspective. And consumers are so excited to try things that remind them of their childhood, but also give them a twist on something new.
So I saw in the booth here we have a Mexican hot chocolate brownie. So it's that I'm familiar with brownie, but yet I'm going to add a little bit of spice in there as well.
100%. A classic traditional brownie in a new and unique way. A little bit of heat, a little bit of orange, a little bit of cinnamon. Puts that twist on it that makes it feel special and makes it feel interesting.
Makes it feel like a elevated experience.
An elevated experience.
Great. All right, so we're halfway there. Trend number 3.
Trend number 3 is daily delights. We have seen the rise in consumers choosing happiness, basically. So they've said, I'm going to bring joy back into my life, and in small individual desserts and treats is one of the ways they're bringing joy back into their life. They're high quality, they're mini, they're usually bite-sized, and they're totally worth it. You don't have to feel guilty about it. It's overall part of your mental well-being and your mental health and bringing happiness to your day, and consumers are loving it.
So my head went to Marie Kondo, who said if it doesn't bring you joy, you get rid of it. But if it brings you joy, embrace
Bring it in every day.
and share with others.
Exactly.
Awesome. That one might be my favorite.
Same.
Okay. All right, trend number 4.
Mindfulness matters. So the evolution of health and wellness has really been something that we've seen over the past couple of years from consumers. Before, it used to be about very strict diets. I'm gluten-free, I'm sugar-free, I'm vegan, I only eat clean label ingredients. Right now, we're seeing more of a conscious evolution. While all of those things are still important, and Dawn offers products that meet the needs of all of those different dietary restrictions, consumer choices are really shifting to a more holistic approach. What's good for me? What's good for my body? What's good for the world and sustainability and the environment? And also what's good for me and my local community. So while it doesn't have to be the healthiest option every day, a little bit of a link to the daily delights, it's part of an overall consciousness of the food they're putting in their bodies and the brands they choose to align themselves to.
You took the words right out of my mouth, because we're seeing consumers really wanting to put their dollars into companies that hold those same values as themselves.
Completely. And they don't have to be delivering against those values all day, every day. But what they have to do is feel like the companies and brands they associate with are also on the same page, working towards a common good or a greater goal.
And then that's the 4.
Those are the 4.
So
simple, easy, 4.
Easy to remember. So, and if someone who had seen our previous trends report, in this trends report, are there similarities that we've seen carry forward in the last 3 years?
Absolutely. Trends are not meant to change overnight. They're not intended to be something that is here today, gone tomorrow. We've seen an evolution of where we were even 3 years ago. Now, COVID-19, the biggest thing that's probably happened to any of us in the last few years, change the trajectory of how those trends came to life. So for example, people have embraced technology so much more than we ever thought they would in a short period of time. But now it's grown, people are excited about it, and they're taking in these trends in a new and different way because of COVID, but not completely over.
Sure. So for anyone that couldn't be here at IBIE that we happen to miss, how does someone find out more about these trends?
So if you visit our new landing page, dogfoods.com/trends, we not only have great infographics and information that aligns to the trends, but we also have recipes that are associated with each trend. We have demo videos and so much more information that they can use to make these trends come to life in their bakeries.
So it's a one-stop shop for a baker looking
trends.
to bring this into their bakery to drive sales. Is the Mexican hot chocolate brownie on there?
The Mexican hot chocolate brownie is on the website.
All right. Well, thank you, Sarah, for
Of
spending
course.
time with us. And again, if you didn't get that website, it's dawnfoods.com/trends to find out more.